Is the market rally about to shift into turbo drive? Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Eric Chemi. I'm joined with Craig Johnson at Piper Jaffray and Boris Schlossberg with BK Asset Management. Let's start with Craig. You've got a 2350 target in the S&P for the year end for this year. So we're just a couple of weeks away. You think we can still make it?
You know, Eric, we set this target 1 year ago. It's been a wild ride this year. During the sell-off you'd seen back in January, February, got a lot of pressure from sales, trading, and everybody else that we need to cut our numbers. We stuck with their guns, stuck with their numbers, and with about 14 trading days left to go, we're still sticking with our 2350 year-end number. Now, it's about 3.8%. We need about 25, 28 basis points a day to get there, but who's counting? We still think that it is an achievable goal. Odds are a little bit long, but we're sticking with it for now. I do think I'm probably going to lose the Chipotle trading desk bet that I made with them. They took the under, I took the over on the 2350, but nonetheless, I think it's been a pretty close call, and it's going to be pretty close coming into year end.
Boris, what do you think about this 2350 number? Is he going to get this right by the end of the year?
I think he has a chance to eke over the line. And the reason why is because I think the Fed is going to be a lot more dovish than the market thinks, and that's going to give that extra fuel to the market. And also because you have window dressing. There's going to be so many people that are going to just want to make sure to mark up inventory before the year end to make sure that they are participating in this rally. So there's a potential very much here for us to push forward and to see if we can push the 3% higher. Yeah, definitely.
So Craig, at this point though, we're so close. You put this number on a year ago. Does it even matter if you're right or wrong now? Do you feel like you won because you got this close, given what was happening in January and February? Is this just a victory lap at this point for you?
Well, I don't like taking victory laps. I would say that it does feel like a little bit of a victory from my perspective, sticking with the call, sticking to our guns and doing those things. But again, the guys on the trading desk are going to keep it real with me. And if I don't get that 2350 or 2351, I'm still buying and paying off on the Chipotle bet for them. So nonetheless, I would like to see the Santa Claus rally continue to play out and continue to push ahead. And I think it will. But when you get into next year, the markets are probably going to be a little bit overbought. I think we're going to get there, but a little bit overbought as you get into the first quarter of next year. And at that point in time, I think is when you'll see some profit taking and maybe a little bit of a pullback in the market at that point.
Well, hopefully you can get yourself a free burrito out of a great year of picking the right levels in the S&P. Craig, Boris, thanks for joining us here on Trading Nation.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.